Dave Shields with DS Diving Service here. We are at the vessel Overbooked. It is July 26th. I'm going to start on the starboard side, looking at the bow thruster, or port side. Then I'm going to swim to the starboard side, show you the running gear, sinks, and all that. You can see we got rid of all that yellow staining on the boat for you too. So let's start looking at the bow thruster first, and then we'll look at the rest. That last anode I showed you was your diver's plate, and we will need to replace that next service, which really needs to be next month. We spent 4 hours cleaning this boat. As a maintenance cleaning, it should take no longer than an hour or 15 minutes, maybe an hour and 30 minutes. Thank you for choosing DS Diving with Overbooked. And yep, we are overbooked right now.